It's a difficult problem. Yes, I remember that.
There are those who are even saying that those people, leadership, who must show example, don't have the moral, grounding.
Yes,
to be able to tell anybody to observe the protocols. Yes. I ask myself, their life, your life.
Yes.
The protection they may have, you may not have.
That's it. That's it. So you're perfectly right. Yes, leadership has lost the moral high ground. Yes, they have. So it still brings me back to the same point that it's not too late to start afresh. At the Eid celebration, the president himself said it, that we have let down our guard. So what I'm expecting then is that maybe...
Have you checked how he's been lambasted for saying that he doesn't...
Yes.
He doesn't have the audacity to say that.
Yes. Ghanaians, it's good to see how citizens are engaging on Facebook and other social media, right? That's good. I'm sure the president would also have learned his lesson from it. So perhaps he should come forward with another address to the nation. Let's pledge that we are starting afresh, and seriously so this time, and that will not let down our guard. I think that would help. When citizens are angry, it's good for him to directly also admit his part in all of this, because starting from the Sir John funeral. You remember even before the Sir John funeral, the elections last year?
Yeah.
Yes, it created a lot of problems. We saw that, look, these campaign rallies were super spreader events, but the politicians wouldn't have any of it. So he should come properly, admit his part in all of this, and with that, citizens will be willing to, come on board with him so that we start afresh.
Right.
Yes.
People have even expressed such disgust at the presidential advisor on health, Dr. Nsiah-Sarri, that he didn't see the bad thing he was doing in coming out to communicate to the public that the people who attended Sir John's funeral, nobody has contacted COVID-19. To say that, look, it's fine to go ahead with your funerals and nothing will happen.
Yes, really, yes. That statement was really, really unfortunate. It really was. I mean, at a point I was like, oh, is that from a medical doctor, really? And the presidential advisor at that, So I think let's come back to it. Let's come back to it. All of them, they should come forward. Let's admit, look, we failed. We failed to lead you well. We are pledging to start afresh. Support us. Then, of course, let the police also, what they did. At a point, the police would go out and then caution people. They went to Makola, rounded up about 40 traders or so. Some number is a very huge number, and caution them. So those would also help. But we shouldn't ramp up prosecutions yet. Otherwise, we'll be creating a worse problem.